Manatu lele ua ilingo le fungatia ma ua paule tu au ma foman ua o lele ua au li tia fanua ma ua sua tu ile tai I Savalalo nei au le au ngo au te o le so o le saunoanga lea a te tai o le malo lau fionga I tamai tai palemia Honorable Fiame Naomi Ntafa o le suimi star o le whaatonga o ele o Samoa. With respect, I call upon the Prime Minister, who is also the Acting Minister of Samoa Land Corporations, for your official address. Honorable Prime Minister.
Sungai tai o Samninga, no sunga no sala si o si teia. No fionga sui panemia, ma fionga I minsta o kabineta, no fionga fonstolai, fionga minsta langolango, ia sui mamadu o le mautafono Samoa. So mai lo fionga le commission sili o maro ni visila, ia a fio faurulunga o mtanga ruenga mfalapitonga le malo, ia ala leta isui mamadu o le au whaipisi nisi. Te mawalunga o Samoa o Poto. Ia o te pataro fatu I le nei e uli mata gofie ia manatato poto mai mo le whamoe moe. E manatu o lea ua whamua le tauranga sa I le tua o ua foi I ati malie le rupe tua mafa le atua. Na whiri malai tutofi o Samoa. O lona nganga pa ia lea ua tua au e tai au ma le aso. Whaafitai I whaiva o leo si taulanga le atua ua ia whaapa ia ina ai le nei aso ma le whamoe moe. Tau ina ia whaatumuina I le atua la utu a wala na whe au ma le wala awina. O te leto e palo ina le awhaloloa a tautai o le vasa a tau potu. Pe to e tau whaafunuina le pasina. Pe tau la e ina fo'i le mao Sofia le tautai no whawaa. I paia mamamalu o Samoa. O te taitonu o Samoa le atunu ua uma o na pailango. Uma o na mamanu whaatiti o te mani. Susui fo'i whaatiu masala sala tau sala. Ma whawhatu whaapare la e o tupu o na upu. O leo te whaatulo watu I le paia o Samoa o Awhia. O le aunga o aute o le aso. O le tae au mua. E te tala aloa ia le amatanga o ngā ruenga mo le whausia o le tātou makiti fōu. I lona nofo anga tuai I Savalalo nei. Ua loa tau sanga ua tāpena mai le nei whamoe moe tā ua, a o le nei ua ta oto a tāta o tau lei. Ia, sa ta oto le lafonga I le whainga malo o mawai, ina ia whausia le nei maketi so na nofo anga fōu songi. Peitai. Ua ae si tō whāma si whinangalo I le whainga malo I le nei pai tau. I lana sila mamau, e alanga tau, ona to e whausia le maketi Savalalo, I lona nofo anga tuai, ua masani aina I o tātou tangata, e pei ona tātou mori mawina I le mei aso. O mafuanga utu, ia whawhai ngōwhie le whalaua inga o oloa, ma ia tau ngōwhie, le au nanga I le mamanu o le tātou atunuu. O le a whao ngā ina le nei maketi. Ai mai se, si o tātou atu. E ai ma manono ma aporima, ia whaapere mo tutele I sa la whai. O le atoanga leo le manu rauti, ia whaafai ngōwhie, ma tau ngōwhie, mo le mamalu o si o tātou atu no. O le nofuanga le nei, o le unga tonu le mu, o le taulanga, o fia lava te afio ai le tātou atunu, te a ngai sae, te a ngai sifo ia pia nei. O le nofuanga lava le nei, te a ngai mai uma iai. O le nofuanga fo i le nei, sa iai le tātou maketi mua. Ma ua tere tausanga o whaunga ina pea, le nei nofuanga e avea na maketi. Pe tai, o le afi ai se mu i le lua afi sifurono. Na amata mai ai o na whata oto nei fuafuanga, ma o le nei o tātou mori mawina i le so. Le amata ina aloa ia o ngā ruenga mo le to e whausia o le tātou maketi fōu. I so maata, ma se fōli na fōu, e tusa ma le nei vai tau o suinga ua tātou iai. O le nei ngā ruenga o fuafua, e se furu waru masina e whausia ai le maketi. O lona winga e te tau o na mai alo na whausia ina le masina o auguso, po se tema le luafe los fulima. O le tau au whai o ngā ruenga e tusa ma le luas fulfa tesi paleiva miliona tāla, ma ua manu malo le company le Thing Construction Company Limited i le mai ai o le tau fonga a le tātou malo. Ia e avea le nei awanoa e mori ai le anganga whaafitai tele i le malo New Zealand i la ufiona i le komi siwasili ona o le vaenga tupi furulua miliona tāla New Zealand o le luas furu miliona tāla Samoa ua tau awina mo le nenga runga tele a le tātou malo. Ia whamanuia le tua i le loto fisosoani ma le anga le lei mai o le nei paanga mo Samoa. E au na sila fia e se furu miliona tāla le sao le tātou ala putongo ele o Samoa mo le nei whamoe. O le company a Tinai Gordon and Associates o le angafa ma le mataituina le rei o le nei ngā ruenga ma le sunga ia le i ataua Tom Tinai o le sui o le company ma le sunga ia Anne Milbank o i la ua ia e ngafa ma le vai le rei o ata ma le whatinongo le nei ngā ruenga te ia mai a le rei ma tuina mai mō lona whaungaina. Ia o le talo ina ia sila mai fo ngā lofa o le atuanga le rei ma ngā lofa. Ma whamanuia le nei ngā ruenga tele a tātou malo. Awa se manuia mo Samoa mo ona tangata. Whape i lato uma o le a whaungaina le nei maketi. Awa ma se mala e afe. A i afe le atua o Samoa. Ia whamanuia le atua i o blau whanua, i o tangata, i au paanga malau lumanai manuia. Ia manuia lau tapua inga Samoa. Today marks another milestone in the development of the Apia Waterfront project. We are gathered here to officially witness the groundbreaking ceremony to officially start the construction of the new Savalalo Flea Market redevelopment project. This is another major government project to enhance the development of the Apia Central Business Township. The goal of this project is for the government of Samoa to successfully rebuild the Savalalo market in the original waterfront location. I am happy to say that this is the original place where the former market was built. The outcome to be achieved for this project, as discussed by both partners, Samoa and New Zealand, includes sustainable recovery and growth of the local construction industry, private sector, and local vendors. Improving gender-inclusive job creation in the small businesses that will have the opportunity to be vendors in the market, and contributing early to positive impressions of tourists to Samoa to aid the strength and speed of the recovery of the tourism sector. Furthermore, this project will cater for our small business entrepreneurs, such as flea market operators, handicrafts, small restaurants, and mini offices for our local people. This project was initially planned to build the new flea market at Songi by the previous government. But when we came on board, we decided that the best place is Savalalo. It's the original place. Why? This place is central and very ideal to our people whenever they come to our pier. It is easily accessible and cheap when compared going to Songi. It is the place the previous market was built more than 4 decades ago, and it's an iconic site where our people congregate and meet. Producers and sellers of goods ranging from agricultural to handicrafts to fish and shellfish to small food stalls like pankeke, naskurimi, and much more. I would like to acknowledge with much appreciation the major contribution of the Government of New Zealand through a grant funding arrangement of 12 million New Zealand dollars signed in April of 2023 between the Honourable Nanaia Mahuta, the former Minister of Foreign Affairs of New Zealand, and our former Minister of Finance, Fionga Mulipola and Rosa Ali Mulipola. In addition, the Government of Samoa, through the Samoa Land Corporation, contributes 10 million tala towards this project. The detailed design and construction of the new Savalalo Flea Market project is expected to take 18 months and will be completed in August-September of 2025. The Cabinet, following the completion of the government procurement process, approved the Tenders Board recommendation to award the design and build phases to Zeng Company Limited, a local company, with the winning bid price of around 24.9 million tala. The project manager for this project is Tenai Gordon and Associates Company Limited, represented today by Fionga Le'atawa, Tom Tinai, and Anne Hilbeck. We pray to the Almighty for His guidance and protection over this project, to protect all the people involved, to ensure the successful completion of our market in August and September of next year. God bless Samoa. So forth.
Yes, mas esse paquele na sai mais para uma macosia que é um lego mas tá via naturalea ua tau toi pangati o tau tianga ma ua la lafo fo i le liu le atu o tau tai mata pala ua longo fatu tuina fo i malai sa la nei tu sai o le sa wanga lau fionga tai tai o malo mai no moli fa na nga fa tai tele ua ma o lunga mata mo fia ene ne yaso. Next in our program, I invite the New Zealand High Commissioner, Your Excellency CLA Van Tour, for your remarks. Your Excellency.
Thank you very much. Lau Susunga Reverend Nuwal Sala Siausi Sutaya. Lau Fiunga Honourable Prime Minister Fione Naomi Mata'afa. Honourable Ministers, the Speaker, the Chair of the Samoa Land Corporation Board, Lawa Fionga Matawhio George Latu, the CEO of Samoa Land Corporation, Lawa Fionga Ulungia Petelo Kavesi, Honourable CEOs, members of the Savalalo Market Project Steering Committee, Project Manager Lawa Fionga Tom Tenai, Contractor Jung Construction, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Mā lole suetua. Whakatai tele lava I lao susunga Reverend No Alsala Sealsi Siutaya for leading us in the prayer today. I'm delighted to be here at the groundbreaking ceremony and blessing for the site of the new Savalalo Market, an iconic landmark in the heart of the Apia waterfront. New Zealand has been involved in supporting the development of the Apia waterfront since 2015, which began with supporting the Planning and Urban Management Unit to develop the Apia waterfront plan from 2017 to 2026. This led to early implementation of the plan and New Zealand's investment in the Malai Whatu Playground in Songi and the event space in the Clock Tower Boulevard in Ele Falls. Today's ceremony is another example of New Zealand working in partnership with Samoa and the shared commitment we hold to continue to deliver on the vision of the Samoan people for its precious waterfront. New Zealand is very proud to co-invest with the government of Samoa in the redevelopment of this market, an investment that was announced back in August 2022 as a gift for the 60th anniversary of the Treaty of Friendship and bilateral relations between our two governments. The rebuild will result in a fit-for-purpose and climate-resilient infrastructure with enhanced facilities, providing a safe environment for users, the public and tourists alike. As a market also supported under the New Zealand-funded and UN Women-led Markets for Change activity, this market will be the first of its kind in Samoa to be designed and built to ensure gender-responsive infrastructure and improve safety, noting that the market vendors are predominantly women with young children. More broadly, the rebuild will contribute to an improved Apia waterfront experience for the wider community, drawing more people to the waterfront as a safer and more enjoyable place to be with family and friends, to share memories and create new ones. I, for one, am really looking forward to bringing my family here in the near future to explore the array of beautiful Samoan handicrafts and wares, to get a great deal on a ili and a lava lava, to taste the famous panakeke and coco Samoa, and to simply enjoy the hustle and bustle of the vibrant marketplace. New Zealand is very pleased that this investment, combined with our wider tourism and private sector partnerships, is supporting Samoa's economic recovery, providing small businesses, local enterprise and women's entrepreneurship the opportunity to flourish. I congratulate the Savalalo Market Steering Committee, the Samoa Land Corporation and supporting government agencies, the project manager, the design and build contractor, and everybody involved in working together to deliver on this project going forward. Ngā mihi nui. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for your exceptional remarks, and as stated earlier by our Prime Minister's address, our appreciation and gratitude to your government and the people of New Zealand for the major financial contributions towards this important government project for our people. Whakataitele. Nāku le ua kako kongu mai le siwi o le whamoemoe le so, o le ua isuaina lea o le parapala, o le whailonga lea o le amataina, alo I o ngā luenga, o le fausi o le market pau Savalalo nei. Ia, mai o te walawatu, ma le anganga whaaloa o tele, I lausunga o taitai o Saminga, e whapefoi, lau whionga I taitai o le malo, lau whionga mai tai whaamia, whapea lau whionga I le haikomisi o le malo ni Fila, ia, ma le sui o le Sheng Construction Company Limited, ia, mo le suaina o le uai parpala, o le whailonga lea o le amataina alo ia o le nei ngā ruenga. E fo ia, ma whaaloa kere ia me whai ngā ruenga. Ya, awal ya le. Paki wing or kako. Nai ngamubuli dah. Malahang kalau tim.
Come on.
Break the ground to symbolize the beginning of the work in this project. We would like to say, blessed be the name of the Lord, and may the Lord be upon us all, and the workers and those involved in the completion of this work.
Ya, may sepak-pakyan lang nga. Ya, mga kulewa kako ko mai de si ui ole ye pambung mai tau or kako malo tau ye ma to fia le vai na mo yai tu mai ta ina ya tua au ase vai ola tau suina polo to mamang sai male ne yaso ma tau te fape atu fa tai kere la fio mai si pa ia mal mau lunga u sa nei. Ya, ua kapengai na fo ia le. Kako fala kongei se kau mafkanga mama. Ya, kali ai le malu fia. Ia kusoi foi male kala mai o au ma fio mai. Ai fa ka kele mur ngai yaso. Ya, le la ku peng.
Para que ele fale.